Okay, we're right across the street from the other house that's about 23 years old. GS shingles again. Pretty much the same scenario. No granules left in the shingles at all. Roofs held out. Boy, they sure do have a lot of trees here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 11 of these roof vents. We're going to go ahead and probably bring these roof vents out and when the new roof's done and just put the ridge vent in. Same thing with, well, we got some spongy decking here. Same thing with the pipe boot. That one's rotted out there. She's got an aluminum metal chimney cap here. This, I don't think we're going to be able to reuse this vent. We'll give it a shot, but chances are we're going to have to replace this all the way through. A lot of mold on the back of this. That's the nice thing about these GS shingles that we use now. They won't allow this to happen. But yeah, she's got a bunch of it here. So it looks like somebody's done some repairs on a couple of these vents. They've cracked. So, but yeah, they're laying flat, but their elasticity's gone, and they're shrinking. So the decking's got a few spongy spots in it, and that could just be from the, you know, depending on how much insulation they have in the, what do you call it? They do have their gutters are clogged up too. Depending on how much insulation they have, and they definitely have enough airflow. That's for sure. Or exit air. I'm guessing the soffits are open. Oh. Yeah. But yeah, all this fungus and everything that's growing on here, the zinc that's in the new shingles won't allow that to happen. We got high rafter there. Decking's, we might have a couple of sheets here that we're gonna have to replace. Feeling it. See, some of these when they were built, instead of them using 1/2-inch plywood, some of them used 3/8, and they got away with it. And the 3/8 is more of an interior. Look at this. Why this isn't leaking is beyond me. So that might be what we find when we take this apart. Looks like they had a whole bunch of ice issues here on this back corner. Yeah, this is really bad. Okay.